Hello everyone. First, let me introduction myself. My name is Ananda Eka Putra, and I study at Mercubuana University. Okay. The next, we will go to the title. The title is Analyzing the Impact of Financial Literacy and Digital Financial Inclusion on Household Economic Welfare in Rural Areas of Indonesia. The abstract. The study examines how financial literacy and digital financial inclusion affect household economic well-being in rural Indonesia. Data from number rural household were collected and analyzing using SmartPL as structural equation modeling. This study evaluates financial literacy measured by knowledge of financial product, budget management skill, and financial decision-making ability, and digital financial inclusion measured by access to digital banking, e-wallet usage, and participation in online lending. Initial results show significant patch coefficient, financial literacy coefficient value, and digital financial inclusion coefficient value positive influence financial management behavior, which in turn affect household economic well-being, coefficient value and coefficient value for behavior to feel being part. These findings highlight the importance of increasing financial knowledge and access to digital financial service in improving financial management and well-being outcomes. This study contributes to development economic and microfinance literacy structure, providing actionable insights to optimize economy. Empowerment programs in rural areas feature studies called expert and additional social or cultural factor or longer samples to stranger than result. Right, the next introduction. The introduction, the rapid development of digital technology has changed to economy landscape globality, including the rural areas of Indonesia. Although access to traditional financial service is often limited in this area, the emergence of digital financial innovation offer new opportunities to improve household economic well-being. However, the effects of these opportunities depends largely on the level of financial literacy of individual and their ability to effectively utilize available digital financial tools. This study explores the critical role of two dimensions: financial literacy and digital financial inclusion in shaping the economic well-being of rural household financial literacy. Divided by factors such as knowledge of financial product, budget management skill, and sound financial decision-making abilities. Serves as a critical element In education, this individual able to manage their requests visually. Digital financial inclusion, which encompasses features such as access to digital banking, use of e-wallet, and participants to in online lending platform, facilitates easier and more efficient access to financial service. Their capabilities are hypothesized to influence financial management behavior, which in turn are expected to correlate with improved economic well-being, included interest saving, investment, and relations to economy shocks. The significance of the study is underscored and by the growing for of efficient that financial literacy and access to a technology play a critical role in reducing poverty and enhancing economy. Development in rural areas. Building on this night, the study used a sample of number rural household and Lagrange structural equation modeling, or SEAM, to SmartPLS, to empirically assess the relationship between financial literacy, digital financial inclusion, financial management, behavior, and economic well-being. In doing so, this study aims to provide a confidence understanding of how tense factors interact to optimize household economic outcomes, offering actionable recommendation for policymakers, financial instruction, and development organization. The study not only addressed a critical gap in the literature on the determinants of economic well-being in rural area, but also lays a groundwork for future innovation in digital economy empowerment programs. Okay, this is a concept background. Financial literacy H1 and its indicator financial literacy denote as H1 is multifaceted construct that underline as individuals' ability to make sound financial decisions. The dataset provided detailed indicators and contributing equity to the control. This is detailed indicators. The first detailed indicators, and this digital financial X2, and this detail. The next financial management behavior Y and S indicator financial management behavior Y H mediating variable that reflect individuals' action in managing their finance and influenced by digital literacy and inclusion and economic well-being. Its indicator include the first Y1 saving habits, Y2 long-term financial planning, Y3 responsible debt management, and the last Y4 investment disabilitation. Next, economic well-being, and this indicator, economic well-being, respondent the end result of good financial management, evaluated through the following indicator. And this is the indicator of Z. Next, hypothesis development based on the theoretical framework, conceptual background, and SMART-PLS diagram. The following hypotheses are proposed to test the relationship. Let's have for each. The first, financial literacy, H1 with its indicator including financial product knowledge. H2, digital financial inclusion, and H3, financial management behavior Y, and last, H4, digital financial inclusion H2. The methodology is decision will explain the result design, probability, and sample, data collection method, and the data analysis technique used, namely SMART-PLS structure equation modeling. The result. This section will present the result of the SMART-PLS analyzing, including path, coefficient, p-values, and model fit includes search, HRMR, and if you may include graph and table similar of those in your journal. This section will discuss the research findings and compare them with ancient literature. Explain the implication of the findings for rural household, policymaker, and financial interaction. For example, how financial literacy programs can be improved, how to digital infrastructure can be expanded the rural areas. Conclusion, summary of the main finds, reaffirmation of research contribution, and acknowledgement of research limitation. The suggestion, practical suggestion for policymakers, financial institution, and development organization. In the future, based on research findings, for example, development of financial literacy curriculum tailored for rural areas. Incentive for digital financial service providers or training programs for e-wallet usage. Last, implementation concrete plan on how the suggestion can be implemented by various stakeholders. For example, launching a national financial literacy campaign in rural areas, partnership between bank and fintech startups to research remote areas, or pilot digital financial, including program in select village. Right. This is my journal. Thank you for your attention.